Hey guys, it's Shannon, and today I'm going to be doing my monthly Dollar General grocery haul, but this month is pretty much just a household haul. So, as you guys know, I'm doing this shopping on a budget thing for this new year. So, my budget every month for the Dollar General is $50, and I did really good this month. I'm kicking something, I'm sorry. I did really good this month. I only spent $27, which is great. Last month I was under as well. I did $42. But this month I used a lot more coupons. I went on Saturday, so I got the 5 off 25, which is good. And then I used, I used some different coupons for different items. We have to start filming my grocery hauls sitting like this. Unfortunately, I can't do the front facing camera and showing it because I dropped my phone and I have a nice big scratch right along my camera on the back part of my phone, and anytime I bring up my front facing camera, I think that's what it is, rear camera, I don't know, the camera that faces out, anytime I bring that up, there's just a bunch of pink, purple, and blue lines all across it, and you can't get a good video or picture or anything with it. So unfortunately we have to start doing it like this, but that's okay, we'll make it work. I'm getting a new phone soon, so hopefully I can film videos with it facing the other direction. Alright, let's just get started. I'm also adding a couple things from Big Lots because I went there yesterday with my stepmom, and I got two things, and I just thought I'd show you. One of the things I really like, so this is not what I got. That goes over there. Okay. So the first thing that I picked up at Big Lots was the Great Gatsby. It's the new one with Leonardo DiCaprio, and first of all, I love Leonardo DiCaprio, and second of all, I watched this movie when I was a senior in high school. It was one of the books we had to read, and we watched the movie, and I loved it. It was super good. I actually really enjoyed the book as well. And they had it, the 2-disc special edition, for $5, and I'm like, you can't pass that up. That's a really good deal. So, I got it. And then the other thing I got, I'm redoing my room. I originally said I was doing black, white, and gold, but it's so hard to find anything that's black, white, and gold, like decor, and I can't find a comforter anywhere or curtains. So, I'm switching to more like pastel, like girly. I kind of want to do pink and mint green, like pastel colors, maybe with a touch of like eggshell blue or something. I don't know what I'm doing, can you tell? But I just want to put like cute little girly things in there, and I found this. It says sleep in, and it's got little eyelashes, and this was on clearance for $4, and originally it was $9, so I thought this was a super good deal. And it's super cute. I would never pay $9 for this. Like, that's ridiculous. But I thought $4 is reasonable, and it's really cute, and I really like it. It doesn't say, like, a brand or anything, so I don't know. I guess it's this Design Direct. I don't know. But yeah, I thought I'd just set that, like, on my nightstand or something like that. Stay. Thank you. Alright. Now on to the actual Dollar General household haul. I'm calling it a household haul because I didn't buy any food. Alright, so the first thing I got was some bleach. I don't like cleaning with bleach. I don't really like using bleach. But my shower and my guest bathroom is just really gross. Like, we never use that shower, but I've just been noticing it like looks really grimy and stuff, and I tried using Lime Away on it, and it's not really taking it off, and I've tried a couple different things, and it's not really cleaning it. So I'm going to try a little bit of bleach with water, or try a couple different things to see if I can get like that grime or whatever it is on it off, because it's really gross, and if I was a guest here, I wouldn't want to use a shower with that on the sides. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, leave those in the comments, because I'm desperate to get it clean. What's next? I guess I'll start with this bag. so I wasn't really needing laundry detergent yet, but I had a coupon, a cutout coupon, and I had a coupon, like my digital coupon, and it kind of doubled up because I had a coupon off of Tide Pods, like 3 off Tide Pods, but then I had a digital coupon. If you bought Tide Pods, you got a certain percent off of Downy fabric softener or something like that. I forget how it went. I'll have to look at the receipt. So I was able to use both. So I just got a pack of Tide Pods. The coupon for both of them for these with the other thing expired today. That's why I did it. So yeah, these will be my backup. Normally I use liquid detergent, but I thought I'd go with the pods today. It wasn't a bad deal. They were on sale too. So I got the ones with Downy because that's what Grandma likes. And yeah, there's those. I have a lot going through my head today, guys. I'm like out of it. And then the next thing I got was more of my Ultra Downy infusions. It's the Lavender Serenity scent. This is my favorite scent by them. I'm loving the scent lavender lately. I don't know why. I just love it. My other ones lasted me a good while. It would last me a lot longer, but I accidentally spilled it everywhere the other day when I was using it. I went to pour it, because you pour it in the lid like this, but I accidentally turned the thing and was pouring it this way, and there's a giant hole there, and it all just spilled out everywhere, and it was a mess. Thank you, phone, for going off. It was a giant mess that was not fun to clean up. Most of it went on the next load of clothes that I had to wash. So I didn't put any in that load, and I just threw those in. And then the rest went on the floor, but I just kind of picked up some other clothes that needed washed and wiped it up with that and then washed them with that. So it worked out. Alright. Now, I think that's it for laundry. Oh, I found the receipt. I can look at that. My nose is so itchy. I don't know why. Yeah, I had a coupon for the Downy. $1 off Downy if I bought Tide. That's what it says. Oh. Then I had my Tide coupon. Pretty much everything I bought except for the bleach and the soap, I had a coupon for. So I thought I did pretty good. So I got Grandma more soap. She uses the Dial soap. It's lavender and twilight jasmine. This is what she's always used. You get 6 for $3, or I could have got just 2 for $2.50. Which that pricing doesn't make sense to me, but I don't set the prices. I just sell the stuff and I buy the stuff. But yeah. So then I got some more deodorant. I got the Secret Active Fresh because I had a coupon for it. It was $1 off. So I paid $4 for this, which is a pretty good deal. And then I got some more toothpaste. I wasn't in need of toothpaste, but the coupon I had expired today, so. And you don't get a coupon for Sensodyne very often. So I got this. And it was $4.50 with my coupon. And then the last thing I got was Grandma needed toothpaste as well. So I got her the Crest Complete Whitening Plus Scope Outlast. And again, it was $1 off. So I paid $2 for it. She's always used Crest. I used to use Colgate, but my teeth are super sensitive now. I've noticed ever since I started brushing my teeth, when I was little, anytime I'd brush them, they would bleed and stuff. And the dentist finally told me this year it's just because of how sensitive my teeth are. And ever since I started using Sensodyne, they've not been bleeding or anything. So, that's what we use now. It's a bit more expensive, but it's worth it to keep my teeth good. And yeah. So, I think that's it. I saved $13. I had to look. It says 5 at the bottom, but that's only with, that wasn't digital coupons. It was only paper coupons that it counts for that. The digital coupons, it just takes, store price off. and it doesn't say you saved a certain amount. It just brings the price down on the receipt. So you have to calculate that in yourself. It's weird. But yeah, I'm going to end this here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, I did stay under budget. I think my total with tax was $29.45, and without tax, it was $27.20. I need to check my Ibotta account to see if any of these items were on there, so I can upload it to there. Next video you're going to see is my grocery haul, my Walmart grocery haul for the month. And yeah, so I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.